Hello students, how are you? I think you are fine and doing your job properly. So we have done chapter number which 3, class 10th, pair of linear equation in two variables. We have done multiple choice also. So at the end of this chapter, we want to revise previous year question papers. Previous year question papers. So here given some questions, so I will solve them. I think basic I told you related to this chapter, and it's my suggestion also. This chapter is so much easy. You can prepare this chapter for exam to take full marks in this chapter. So we will start, try to understand. It's given a plane left 30 minutes late. So become how many minutes late? 30 minutes. So here is a situation. What type of situation? Situation is this. First we have to prepare a pair of linear equation in two variable, and then we have to find out its solution. So let a plane left 30 minutes late, then it's scheduled time in order to reach the destination. This given total distance, how much? Total distance, step by step, right? 1500 kilometer. 1500 kilometer. Understood? Then what? Let the speed of plane, what? X kilometer per hour. What's X kilometer per hour? And then time taken by plane. This you know, total distance divided by the total time taken. How much? Understood? And after that, what happened? And in order to reach the destination, which is 1500 kilometer away, in time it had to increase its speed by 100 kilometer per hour from the usual speeds. What's the usual speeds? X kilometer. So here we can write new speed. What we can write? New speed of the train, of the plane, is how much? X plus 100 kilometer per hour. So time taken, new time taken is again distance divided by the time. How much? So which time is more? This or this? So this we know. Speed and time are inversely proportional. If speed increase, time decrease, and if speed decrease, time increase. So here speed is x kilometer, here is x plus 100, it's meaning speed increase, so time decrease. So it's meaning this time is 30 minutes more than it. So now we can show according to the questions. According to the questions we get, what we get? This 1500 by x plus 30 minutes, 30 by 60, 1 by 2 we have written. So sorry, this minus coming here. So if we can minus, what's this taking? What's half an hour more, 30 minutes more than it, is equal to 1500 by x plus 100. So what's your LCM? 2x is your LCM. So what's coming? 3000 minus x is equal to 1500 by x plus 100. X plus 100. So cross multiplication now. X plus 100 into 3000 minus x is equal to 3000 x. Understood? So it's multiplication with 3000x minus x square plus how much? 50 minus 100x minus 100x is equal to 3000x. So this cancel this. This cancel this. So what is this? Minus x square minus 100x 100x plus how many 0? 50 equal to 0. Or this we can write x square plus 100x minus this. This is become a equation. This is become a equation. So what we can do? We can find out its roots. Roots by two methods we can find out. By two methods we can find out. One is the splitting the middle term and other is the applying quadratic formula. So here I am applying what I am applying. Splitting the middle term. X square plus 600x minus 500x minus 3, how many 0? 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 0. What's their sum? Is equal to 100x. What's their multiplication? Is equal to this. So it's meaning splitting the middle term is right. Which is common? X is common. X plus 600 minus 500 x plus 600 is equal to 0. So this we can write x plus 600 and x minus 500. And if you can find out the value of x, minus 600 and 500. But speed is never negative. So what's the speed of the plane? In starting 500 kilometer per hour. And after that time, how watts becomes 600 kilometer per hour. Time taken by x, you can write 3 hours here taken. And if you're taking this, then 2.5 hours taking. So difference is in half an hour. Understood? After this directly I have written this, you understood. This we can show like this, x plus 600 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 600, which is not our case. X minus 500 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 500. This is our case. So what's the usual speed, starting speed of the plane? 500 kilometer per hour. And after increasing, what's its speed become? 600 kilometer per hour. Find its usual speed. So usual speed is this. Got? Next. So saying like this, a father age is 3 times the sum of age of his 2 children. So in this type of question, many times I told you, once again I told you, we have to assume percentage. So what we can say, let present age of father is equal to x year. Yes or no? Let the present age of both children. Some of this is y years. We can say. A father age is 3 times the sum of ages of his 2 children after 5 years. So it's meaning talking about this. Understood? And you have to find out the percentage of father. So according to the question, what's it's become? ATQ equal to, is implies, what's implies? Father age is 3 times of this. So x is equal to 3y, and this implies x minus 3y equal to 0. Equation number 1, age of father after 5 years, how much? For Gent x, it's meaning x plus 5 years. Here is the important point which you have to be noted. Here written 2 children. How much children? 2 children. So after 5 years, how much their age increase? 1 children age increase 5 years, so 2 children how much increase? 10 years. So you can say age of sum of age of both children is how much? Y plus 10 years. Condition again according to the question. What saying? 2 times the sum of their ages. So it's meaning x plus 5 is equal to twice of y plus 10. So x plus 5 is equal to 2y plus 20. Understood? What's it's become? X minus 2y is equal to what's 15? 20 minus 5, 15. And what's the value of this? Look here, x equal to 3y. So in place of x, we can write 3y minus 2y is equal to 15. So what's your y? Y equal to 15. If y equal to 15, what's the value of x? What's the value of x? X is equal to 3 of y 15. So 45 years. So present age of father is 45 years. Understood? Yes or no? After 5 years, this age become 50 and this age become 15 plus 10. How much? 25 years. So this is the point to be noted here. 80%, 90%, or we can say 99% student adding 5 here. But here 5 not. They are 2 children. So after 5 years, both age increase 5 plus 5, 10 years. If you can understand this, it's meaning no problem. Got next one. A fraction become 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator, and it's become 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted from the denominator. Find the fraction. So we can start this type of question like this. Like this meaning let. What? Let numerator of the fraction equal to x here. Let denominator of the fraction is what? Y. So fraction is what? xy. Fraction is what? x by y. Come here, saying it's become 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator. So what's numerator? Numerator is x minus 2 by y is equal to 1 by 3. If you can solve it, 3x minus 6 is equal to y. So 3x minus y equal to 6. This is your first equation. Second condition, and it become 1 by 2. It's become 1 by 2 when 1 is subtracted from the denominator. So right here, x fraction is this. 1 is subtracted from the denominator, it's become 1 by 2. So what's it's become? 2x is equal to y minus 1. So what's it's become? 2x minus y equal to minus 1. This is your second. Got it? We have to find out the value of x and y by applying any method which depend on u. X minus y is equal to minus x, and 2x minus y is equal to minus 1. So what we can do? Subtract second from first, or you can say this is third and this is fourth, and subtracted fourth from third, so this also become plus. So what is this? Cancel out 3 minus 2, how much? X, and x is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 not, this is 6. So what's coming here? Plus. So what's its value? 7. What's its value? 7. Now, putting the value of x is equal to 7 in equation first, we get. So put equation first is this: 3 into 7 minus y equal to 6, minus y equal to 6 minus 21. So minus y minus 15, this cancel this, so y equal to 15. So x equal to 7, y equal to 15. So fraction is 7 by 15. And if we can, we can minus 2 from here. So it's become 5 by 15. So how much? 1 by 3. This is a way of verification. And if 7 by 15 minus 1, it's become 7 by 14, which is equal to 1 by 2. So any method you can apply. So this is the question number 2. Second part we can say. Which we can say second part, or which is given in or. So here given, I told you, understood, which came in the year 2020 and 21 in the exam of Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE. One more question given, question number 3. The value of k for which the system of equation, what's equation x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, and what's 2x plus ky minus 3 equal to 0. Has no solution. No solution meaning two lines are parallel. It's meaning a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Then this possible. So what's your a1 here? Equal to 1. What's your a2? 2. What's your b1? 1. What's your b2? K. What's your c1? Minus 4. What's your c2? Minus 3. So a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 2. What's your b1 by b2? 1 by k. What's your c1 by c2? Minus 4 by minus 3. Cancel, it's meaning 4 by 3. So answer given, what's given? So take 1 by 2 is equal to what? 1 by k. So it's meaning k equal to 2. So anywhere given k equal to 2, given this. So D is our answer. What's it? D is our answer. Not equal to also we can check, only one given. So 1 by k is not equal to 4 by 3. It's meaning 3 not equal to 4k. So not equal to k equal to 3 by 4. But here is given not equal to 2. So directly I said this is your answer. Understood? Next, the pair of equation. Which equation? This equation. Ax plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0 and 3x. What's 3x plus by minus 18 equal to 0. So first, what's your a1, a2, 3, b1, 2, b2, b, c1 minus 9, c2 minus 18. So you have to represent a parallel line. Represent a parallel line. So parallel line or no solution, both are equal. So here what we need? A1 by A2, A by 3. B1 by B2, 2 by B. C1 by C2, 9 by 18 is equal to 1 by 2. So find out. So parallel, it's meaning A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. So take one time. A by 3 is equal to 2 by B, not equal to 1 by 2. What's not? Is not equal to this. So what's, if first two you can take, so AB equal to 6. It's meaning A and B are integers. A and B are integer and their multiplication must equal to 6. Another condition is this. So 2 by B not equal to 1 by 2. What's its meaning? What's its meaning? If you can find out this. So B cross multiplication 4 not equal to B. So B is not equal to 4. B is not equal to 4 or 1 by 4. B here going, 2 coming here is not equal to this. Otherwise, what? A by 3 is also not equal to 1 by 2. So it's meaning A is also not equal to 3 by 2. Understood? A is not equal to 3 by 2. Another what may be value you can take. So we are taking like this. 1, 6, 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 1, and then minus 1, minus 6, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 2, minus 6, minus 1. These all are these equal to this? Yes or no? All are equal to this. So what's its meaning? What's its becoming? So what you can say, if we are taking A equal to 1 and B equal to 6, so satisfying this condition, is this satisfying this condition? First one check. A equal to what's 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. And B equal to 6. So B equal to 6, that's one also possible. Possible or not possible? Not understanding? Look one time. Till here understood? Our answer is from these. Our answer is from this. So this we have taken, then what's it's become? It's become AB equal to 6. It's meaning we have to find out two integers whose product is equal to 6. So what possibility? 1, 6, 2, 3, 6, 1, and what? 3, 2. 3, 2. Got or not got? So this we have taken. This we have taken. Then what we can say? -1, -6. Then -6, -1. Then what we can say? -2, -3, -3, -2. So these are the pairs. So if we are taking like this, a by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. What's taking? 1 by 2. First pair taking what's 1 and 6. 1 and 6. And what happened if this become equal? A by 3 equal to a 1 by 2. So a equal to 3 by 2, which is not an integer. Which is not an integer. So 1 and 6 taken, satisfying this condition. And what's it's become here? 1 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. Valid. Then taking 2, 3, 2, 3. Then what's it's become? 2, 3 is 6 is equal to this. And then what's it's become? 2 by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. So it's meaning this valid. This also valid. Then what's taking? 6, 1. 6, 1 is what's it's become? 6, 1 meaning 6 by 3. This become 1 by 2, not equal to. But 3, 2 is 6, so 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. So this also valid. 3, 2. 3, 2 meaning if 3, 2 is 6. And here putting, so 3 by 2 is not equal to 1 by 2. So this also valid. So all are these valid. And these negative also valid. So what are the condition? Condition is this: AB equal to 6 and what? A by 3 is not equal to 1 by 2. So what's according to your answer? This is your answer. Understood? Here also you can say AB equal to 6. Then written AB equal to 6. Need not be right this type. If you want to solve complete, saying find out its solution, then these are its solution, these are its value. Question number 5 came in the board exam 2022-23. These question I told you related to age, related to fraction, related to speed, not only important for 10th class, important for competitive exam also. A 2-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digit. So what we can say, let the unit digit, what's unit digit is equal to x. Let the 10 digit is equal to y. 32. Its unit digit is this. Its 10 digit is this. This is its 10 digit and this is its unit digit. So how can we form number? 10 digit into 10 plus unit digit. So how much? 10 digit 3 into 10 plus 2. So 32. 32. Here I have written, let the unit digit is this, 10 digit is this. So sum of the digits is not given, so we can write like this. So number is, what's the number? Numbers is equal to 10y plus x. 10 digit into 10 plus x unit digits. Understood? A two-digit number is 7 times the sum of its digits. What's the sum of digits? X plus y. According to the question, what's saying? This number is 7 times of it. So I can multiply this with 7. So 10y plus x is equal to 7x plus 7y. If you can solve it, so it's become 10y minus 7y plus x minus 7x is equal to 0. So 3y minus 6x is equal to 0. Or we can say 3 taken common, y minus 2x is equal to 0. Minus 3 we can take in common. This become plus, this become minus. So 2x minus y equal to 0. This is your equation number 1. What's your equation number 1? Second condition, this also you know, to solve two-digit number, to solve two variable. Here x and y are variable. To solve these variable, what we need? We need two equations. One equation is this. One equation is this. Another, the number formed by reversing the digit. Reversing the digit. Reversing the digit meaning unit digit become 10 digit and 10 digit become unit digit. So, after reversing unit digit, which one unit digit? 10 digit, y. After reversing 10 digit, what's x? So number is what? 10x plus y. And according to the question, number is the number formed by the reversing the digit is 18 less than the given number. Which is the given number? 10y plus x. And this is 18 less. So 10x plus y plus 18 both become equal. So 10y minus y plus x minus 10x is equal to 18. So what's it become? 9y minus 9x is equal to 18. Minus 9 taken common. X minus y is equal to 18. So x minus y is equal to what's become? Minus 2. 2 take in this side. 18 divided by minus time minus this coming. So these are the two. Again, you can apply any methods. So x minus y equal to minus 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 0. So add them. No, subtract this from this, minus plus minus. So how much? Minus x, this cancel, is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to 2. X equal to 2. So here we can write x equal to 2. What's your y? Putting the value of x where? In any one. It's this, you can say 2. This you can say 1. Putting the value of x2 minus y equal to minus 2. So minus y equal to minus 4. And what's your y equal to 4? Y equal to 4. So what's your number? 42. And what's their sum? 6. So this is equal to 4. So number is how much? 42. And what's the sum of the number? 6. And if you can multiply this with 7, these become equal. Understood? After the reversing, what's it's become? 24. And if you can add 18, this is equal to 4. This is a way of checking your question right or wrong. So I told you about these. So these are the some question which is given in the previous year question papers. It may be possible some more given. So it's my request, you can revise it. It's important for only for those students which are so much weak or which are so much intelligent. Understood? Sometimes question is related to trick based. And at that time you don't understand which trick I can apply here. If you have done practice, then definitely able to solve here. So one question given this is Not so much difficult question is this, but this is this question. But here what we need our mind to concentrate, so able to understand. Here I have add 10, it may be some possible like this 5 year later, we have to add 5. But these are 2 children, so 5 plus 5, 10 years. So this is all about pair of linear equation in 2 variable. So next we will start, that I can tell you, and it's my request, this one is an easy chapter. You can revise it. If any type of problem, you can discuss with me anytime or through any other medium. But try to understand, not try to do ratification. If you can do ratification, it creates a problem for you in your exam. So it's my request, and I think you will definitely think about that. Best of luck. Thank you, all of you.